Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log in and access ESSEX Mortgage account online. So let's get started without further ado. The first thing to do is to open a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box and type in essexmortgage.com and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official website for ESSEX Mortgage. Once you get to the official homepage, click on the Make a Payment option in the middle of the screen. Under Account Access, click on Customer Portal. This should now take you to the login page where you will need to enter your username and password. If you don't have an account yet for ESSEX Mortgage, you can simply register for a new account by clicking on Register link and following the prompts. If you already have an account, enter the username in the username field and then type in your correct password in the password box. If you don't remember your username or your password, get help by clicking on the Forgot Password or the Forgot Username link at the bottom. Once you are done entering the correct username and password, click Login and you will be able to access your ESSEX Mortgage account online. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.